Oh, excellent. So, my name is Perumal and around 30 years of experience in industry. I am running a GRC company from Chennai and maybe more than 100, 150 GRC implementation across Middle East, US. I would have done it. And predominantly, I'm a corporate assessor as well. So most of the area like ITES, it starts from service management, IT governance, business continuity, and other all areas of cyber security we would be covering upon. So currently we are in a process of looking into automation of all our processes. From some of the lead aspect, we would like to look at like ServiceNow BCM automation kind of. That's why it has been initiated. I hope the brief is fine with you, or anything in detail if you want, I can.
Hey,
Yeah.
Perumal.
Fine.
That's great. Thanks for the intro. I have one question. So, uh, ServiceNow BCM module is not an automated tool. We do not have any automation on that. The ideal functionality of a BCM module is so BCM covers IT disaster recovery and business continuity both. Okay, so whatever we have, which were earlier into a pen and paper method or into a Excel sheet method, ServiceNow got this into a tool based, where you can do a business impact analysis, you can do dr planning and all. There are few automations where you will be able to find the rpo value of an application. When you do insert the values, I can explain on the entire module values, but this is not the pure automation tool, I would say.
That I totally understand. Even if I'm looking at it, I'm not only looking at for IT disaster because you aware about when we talk about business continuity, we are
Yes.
really looking at for the core business and maybe maybe a 70% dependency on IT would have been a part of it. So we would be looking at like a core business processes and associated business impact analysis. As you rightly said, we used to define all the regional and also the business specific BIA Excel templates and formula based to arrive based on the attributes to get a MTPD and a
Yes.
recovery time of objective, and also even we look at like a recovery point of objective and MBCOs and all. So if you look at it, I am also aware about when I talk about automation, I am not talking about like a organizational like operational technology automation kind of thing. I'm also aware. And what is my intention is to look at it like, because I have not used ServiceNow earlier on BCM aspect, but whereas I would have audited multiple implementation of ServiceNow on ITSM aspects earlier, but not
Got
having
it.
a hands-on. Yeah. So I'd like to understand the how ServiceNow conceptually capturing the business processes as a configuration, from there how to navigate to the BAA, so that the extended audience can look at like from the recovery time to the dependencies and strategy solutions and so far. Even crisis management also part of the tool, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is
So
part
that is
of.
what I'm looking at. It's not like a 200% or 100% automation I'm looking at, gentlemen.
Perfect. Then we are on the same page.
Yeah.
And my name is Bharat.
Mr. Bharat, yeah.
Yeah.
Bharat, we have one more person, Mr. Mafazal. Mafazal, can you just speak about yourself, like the same?
Yes, hi, Bharat.
Hello, Mr. Yeah.
This is a short intro on me. I am having 3.6 years of IT experience, and in those experience, ServiceNow ITSM development I've done for about 2.5 years, and I have made the switch to another org where they have put me in GRC domain, and they will be giving BCM module. So my agenda is like to gain the intro and the hands-on kind of things on BCM because I am like completely new to this.
Great.
Got it, Amit. So ideally, we do have our own ServiceNow team. In case if we have any enhancements or if we have any customizations, the developer team from ServiceNow, the developers from ServiceNow, ideally know how the module works, what is BCM, and then they they help us in customizing that or enhancing our module. I guess you will be on the same page where you're at a developer side, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Ganesh, do we have anyone else?
So,
No.
actually, Mr. Bharat, when
Yeah.
we talk about ServiceNow, you typically look at like a BCM. We generally have like a governance as such. We define the real policy frameworks and then core business processes and the dependencies on the BAA part and the attributes, how we are going to rate it for MTPD and all. So then how the service now works on all this configuration like a BAA strategy solutions and also linked to the risk assessment and risk framework, then coming into courses and exercising BCP, and then as you said rightly said like ITDR kind of this cycle is covered, or what exactly the scope of our training program will cover?
Okay. So now after knowing from your requirement and from Ahmad requirement, I'll explain in 5 minutes what I'll be explaining as a trainer, and
Yeah,
just let me know if that fits into your requirement. Okay.
yeah,
Give me just 1 second.
yeah.
So ideally, we know that ServiceNow has many modules, ITSM, ITOM, CMDB, incident management. I mean ITSM, and also GRC, and then we got BCM module. BCM is now trending because they are giving to organizations as a package. Along with all these things, they are also giving. They're selling GRC and BCM modules as a package, so that everything, all the applications, you have application over there, you have a CMDB, you have server details over there, you have a risk over there, and then you have a ITDR also or BCM module over there, which integrates into one single platform. That's how ServiceNow built everything. Uh, And right now, I'll be explaining how ServiceNow tool works. There are three phases in ServiceNow, if you ask me. One is business impact analysis, another one is planning, and another one is testing. Okay, in business impact analysis, ideally ServiceNow, what does it cover is uh, you can customize it based on your own organization. So I come from a healthcare organization. So
Mm,
business impact analysis, what we have done is ideally there are four components which are predefined. Those components are organizational impact, revenue impact, compliance impact, and productivity impact. Then we added with one more thing called as patient impact. In case if this application or if this department or if this region goes down, will it impact to patient safety or not? So we already have ServiceNow already gives defaultly 4 to 5 components, and also has a default I would say functionality how to define an RTO value. Based on the inputs we provide, you'll be able to get it. Let me just try and see if I can share my screen and show it to you. Ganesh, is it possible to stop recording for at least 5 minutes?
Yeah, sure.
Because I have my own personal data.
yeah, understood. Yeah. Mm.